Let's see. Oh yeah. Ha. Hee. Ha. Hee. Ha. Hee. What the heck? Huh? Hey. Yeah. Oh. Now. It's gonna be about sharing goodies. Christmas is nearly here. Whatever we collect, we need to share. If they're good and they'll kill us, we give them a goodie or gun. If they're bad, we take the goodie away and kill them. So let's start. Yeah. But he did it with floppies. I'm doing it with everything. So I don't know what holiday it is. I am going to celebrate Christmas, but win Fortnite. If I win, I slap myself in the butt cheeks 2 times. If I lose,
you can't.
I gotta smash my bed 10 to 80 times. No.
We're winning.
No. How much is your Fortnite loaded on? Your account takes so long.
I'm not going to check yet.
It takes so long to count. Oh, my headphones, I forgot. This is actually my first time. Yeah, today I just...
Dude, I'm checking. What do you think it is?
100.
You guessed that number before. It's 90.
Last time you said it was already 90. I'm not mad, bruh. I'm totally mad.
Mommy, I don't get any time to play with Terry. No, yeah, Terrence, there's a test tomorrow.
Huh?
There's a test tomorrow.
I know. It's gonna be
You don't go? He said he knows. Oh, he knows. Wait, man,
okay, I got a weapon. I'm not gonna gift it.
Don't worry.
If
Just 100%. Terrence? Oh, no, come in this store, see. Yes, it's finished. The whole day.
Can I guess what number it is?
It's finished.
Can I guess what number it is?
Goodbye. Bye.
Did he just leave me into this mess? No, why are you gonna do this to me? No. I already have 20 gold because last time I remember I just spent it on. I'm good. I'm doing my good saving, kids. I ain't wasting my gold. Last time I checked, I spent it for the goodies. And no one were the goodies, so who are the goodies you're asking? It's me, the dancing. Oh no. You wanna get me, son? Never. But you don't have. I'm sure I can find it myself. No, give him my weapon. I guess I had to do it like that. Or I would have died. Was that your skin? Tyler, that's Tiffany's skin.
Yeah.
Oh. I like the backpack, not the skin. I like it.
同自己玩噶啦。吓？
Huh?
自己咧？
He said he's gonna come. I'm gonna eat the children's gifts. Ben, have you ever seen Santa eat somebody's gifts? No. Oh. Yes.
喂，来。
Oh. Might need to use somebody's gifts for good cause.
喂，冇打 Andy 嘅？咩 Andy 咧？喂喂你。
Oh! Hey!
你这样子我先没什么。
Oh no. He didn't take my gifts. I'm gonna get his attention. See you next time. When she comes back trying to kill me, oh, she would have been messed up. Oh. I gotta attack now. Okay, TK, should I leave? I just got a friend. I gifted something to somebody. I'm so nice. Wait, I'm gonna kill the person I gave. Because I'm nothing. Nah. Yeah. What's the stormtrooper? Who's a stormtrooper? Who's a stormtrooper guy? Ready up. Who's stormtrooper? No, ready up. Where's stormtrooper? There's no stormtrooper. What's this? Yeah, who's Stormtrooper? Stormtrooper? Well, let me try. I only see Battle Pass, limited time. I can't see Stormtrooper. Who was Stormtrooper? Yeah, same. She gave me it. I opened it. I actually opened it. No, we're supposed to give gifts, not play on different consoles. Whatever it's called. Yes. I only have 5 more minutes to record. Until then. I just watched my videos, one of my videos today, and I realized they can't hear the Fortnite thing. I just realized that. They could only hear our voices. Or maybe, no, only my voices actually. Only my voices. They can't hear you. It's so weird. We're not doing a glitch thingy. Where if I move, yeah, Huh? I have to die on sand. There's a Mandalorian. Ho ho ho. I'm getting so much loot for the good children. While you are doing none work. Ho ho ho. Ho ho. No, we're just gonna give them it and they just go away. If they don't go away, we kill them. Yeah, but we're gonna leave them alone. If they don't leave us alone, we kill them. Like usual people will do. Kill. I don't know why Fortnite... Yeah, give me the jetpack. I'll give people the jetpack. Because the last person I gave to... Wait, I'm getting stuff for the goodies. Oh, I see you, Mendo. Wait, car damage doesn't work. I'm very bad. What video? I already did for a whole time. We are doing it. About 2 minutes. Now 1 minute. So I think I should end it right here. Bye. Peace out. Hope they subscribe.